Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If this is your first time here, I'm Teresa. This is my oldest son, Jay.
What's up?
And we have a challenge today. We have Nene Eats Life XXX Hot Sauce Challenge. You ready? You ready for this?
No.
I'm nervous. Okay, so first thing you have to do is order her sauce, her XXX hot sauce. Then you have to have 5 components. You have to have a seafood boil with 5 components. You have to have 5 protein. For my protein, I chose shrimp, so I have 5 shrimp. Let's see, let me show you my shrimp. I have 5 shrimp, and then you have to count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you have to have 5 protein. I have 4 crab legs, 4 snow crab legs. I have 3 boiled eggs, 2 corns, and 1 potato. So you have to have, 5 proteins, 4 of something, whatever your choice, 3, 2, 1. Jay Sean, what do you have?
I got 5 crab legs, 4 shrimp. No, wait. 5 crab legs, 4 eggs, 3 shrimp, 2 corn, and I have 1 potato.
Yes. And we have 15 minutes to eat this. You can drink, but you can't drink until you eat 1 of everything. All right. Ooh, I just licked my finger and it was hot. All right, I'm going to start with this egg.
Oh. That's not that bad.
My spoon so I can make sure everything is saucy. My little bowl is so small.
I'm already about to lose the chance of eating too quick.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just burped.
Oh.
I gotta peel it.
Mm-mm.
Oh, you gotta put it. Ignore that.
Well,
I'm not worried about the little chance. I ate my eggs too fast.
that like it's hot. It's really good though.
I think I have to drink something.
What's wrong? You drinking too fast? You
Drinking?
sick? I mean, you eating too fast?
No, I don't feel sick. It was going down real, so I'm good now.
You don't have to. Just calm down.
Nah, I'm hungry. It's like my first actual meal of the day. Okay, I'm good now. I just had to let it go down.
Y'all. Alright. It's so good.
I wish it was hotter.
I don't. Well, she said she wanted it to be hot, but still enjoyable.
I mean my food itself.
Make sure everything's really saucy.
Oh, yeah.
Use your spoon if you have to.
Let's go like this.
Whew. Wow. I can't wait to drink that water. Look, my mouth is going to be a mess. I'm sorry. Ooh.
I gotta eat that giant potato.
Whew.
Sauce.
It's like every time I inhale, that spice.
So, how y'all kids doing in school? If y'all got kids, that is. I missed the bus today.
Ooh.
But it's okay. I got school Friday though. Ooh, my potatoes hot.
All right. I'm counting down to this water, y'all, but I gotta eat this whole potato until I can drink some water on the board.
I mean, my drink like an apple.
Maybe. I'll give y'all some of my potatoes. I ain't shared with y'all yet. Y'all want some of that.
No,
Look at that.
I guess I'm
Delicious.
I guess I'm stingy.
It's good, right?
Yeah. No, the potatoes hotter than the sauce.
Woo. I want that water so bad.
Okay, this potato's about to make me give up. It's so hot. It's not even the fact that it's got the sauce. It's just the potato is hot. Oh my god. You finished the potato?
You ate one of everything?
This is my last thing.
You could drink. Closer to me. Whew. I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Ah.
I don't know if I'm gonna make it. I need that water. Can I have some ice? Nene, can I have some ice? Do the ice count?
I've been swallowing my spit. Does that count? Do I lose?
Woo! Hot.
I did it. I ate one of my eggs. Y'all saw me eat the corn. Y'all saw me eat the shrimp too. Well, y'all saw me eat pretty much one of everything.
Ooh, you enjoying that? You enjoying that good juice? Good doing it. Good doing it.
Alright, I forfeit. No, I'm playing.
You can drink for that one.
I know.
I just gotta make it to be able to drink.
The potato, it enhanced the spice.
Something's in my eye and I can't use my hands.
You want me to wipe it for you?
No. Whew.
If y'all don't know, this is my mom. I'm her oldest.
I told her.
And I'm not only the oldest, but I'm also the goofiest. It's a hot one.
Yeah. It's good though. It's really good. I love her sauce. All right.
I'm the extravagant egg scarfer.
That was one. I got this potato. Once I eat this potato, I can drink away. Drink away. The potato being hot in temperature is making the spice worse.
It just enhances it.
Yeah.
Like it just makes it so much harder to eat. Like I almost gave up.
Yeah, I'm at that point right now.
Oh, I don't got COVID.
I really want to do this. But it's so
I
hard.
don't know why it's so hard.
Yo, my water is looking extra delicious right now. I don't think I ever felt this way about water before.
It's hot.
Oh. Oh. Oh, my potato.
Want some?
Y'all. You see this?
It's like when I laugh, it just gets worse. It's my breath hot.
Dragon breath.
Stop. Y'all see this? Y'all see what I gotta go through? She just flamed me. She called me a dragon.
I have to eat that potato, but I have to eat something else.
You said you have to eat that potato?
I don't know.
She has to
I have to eat the rest of the potato to drink, but I have to eat something else because I'm getting tired of just potato.
Okay. Now I'm actually starting to suffer.
Enjoy that drink over there.
Why is crab so... It's like, I feel like when the crab is looking at me from heaven when I'm struggling to break a shell, it's just laughing. Like, haha, look at him. That nigga weak.
I'm sweating. Like, I'm really sweating.
No, it's fine. I sweat every day in school.
Well, if you oh my gosh, I can't even talk. Will it be hot?
Upstairs, it'd be hot. I don't even be having a jacket on. It's just hot. Like the school, it's only hot like upstairs.
Yeah, you know, that's how it is.
Sometimes I wish heat just didn't rise. Like
I wish I could drink my water.
Like when people talk to tall people and be like, "How's the air up there?" They're probably suffering.
Gosh. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna run out of drink.
You can get more.
See, I can't handle spice.
I'm almost there. Almost there.
I'm getting so full already. My stomach hurts so bad already.
You can quit. It's okay. You tried. What? I ain't gonna say I ain't gonna quit.
You won't get the best of me. I gotta prevail.
That water is looking so good.
I'm about to take it from her.
No, you're not.
I love annoying my mom.
You do it so well.
Yes, I do. I do it. I'm probably the best at it. No, it's probably my sister.
Yeah, definitely. I have one daughter for a reason.
I hope I get a son.
I love her. I do. But I have one for a reason.
I hope I get a son and a daughter. I want them to have that brother-sister relationship. Look, God will give me when I'm destined to have.
Ooh, my insides burn.
Why is the top of my mouth the hottest?
Burn. Burn.
It's not the song to sing right now.
It's my truth. It's my truth, okay? It's yours too.
Sometimes the truth must not be said. Sometimes you have to lie to yourself.
Let me see how much time I even have.
Look. Are these snow crab?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can tell.
got sauce
They're
on my phone.
massive, and they got prickles. Prickles. They have.
Oh man, it's only 1 minute left. I'm gonna drink this water, y'all.
I ate all that in 14 minutes. I didn't even. I won.
You still didn't beat the challenge though. You did better than I did, but
Hey, that's
you didn't
fine.
eat all of it.
That's fine with me.
But we tried. It was good though. Oh.
At least I beat something. Well, something.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried.
I'm so full. I can't even eat no more, really.
I'm gonna eat a little more off camera, but I gotta get myself together. But make sure y'all check out Nene Eats Life. Check out her challenge video, and you know it's her challenge, so she's gonna explain the rules the best. So yes, so order her sauce. Check out her channel. I'm supposed to challenge 5 people. I don't know 5 people. I don't know who I want to challenge. I don't know who to challenge. But I want to say...
She'll put them in the comments. It'll just make it easier right now.
Yeah, well, I want to call out the people that I have on top of my head.
Yeah.
I want to call out... I want to challenge It's Your Girl V and Anisha LTV. Those are the 2 I have right now. If I think of more, I will put it in a description or something. But that's it for now. I hope y'all enjoyed watching. We'll eat with y'all next time. Bye.
I'm sorry. It's so hot.
Bye, y'all.